So here we go, whiteboard practice. What you're going to do is you're going to work out these questions. I have a duplicate of each slide. I have the question, then I have the work that goes with it on the subsequent page. If you need to go through the work, continue listening to the explanation. If not, advance the recording to the next slide. So here we go. Question number 1, shorts are on an end of season sale for 40% off. What is the sale price of a pair of shorts regularly priced $24.99? Please pause the video. The answer is $14.99. Shorts are on sale. So what I did was I did $24.99 times the decimal equivalent of 40%, which is 4/10. When I multiplied, I got 9.996, which I rounded to the nearest cent, which round up to be $10. I took the $24.99 and subtracted the $10 because they were on sale, and sale means that they are less. So the answer was $14.99. Question 2. Margie wants to buy a bracelet that is priced for $13.50. What will be the total price of the bracelet with 6% sales tax? Pause the video. So $14.31. If you got this, move on. If you didn't, listen. So $13.50 times 6% is 600ths, and I got 81 cents. Because tax is added on, I took the $13.50 and added the 81 cents to get $14.31. Next question. A retailer marks up their clothing 27% over wholesale prices. What would an item priced $23.75 cost at a retail store? So you need to add these notes that I'm typing in right now about this. So retail is where you buy stuff. So online, that might be Amazon or Target. At the mall, it might be American Eagle, Harris Teeter, etc. Wholesale is what the seller buys it for. So, for example, my husband sells sporting goods. He sells a baseball glove to, let's say, Amazon for $100. Amazon doesn't sell it for $100 because they want to make a profit. So they mark it up by $25. So then they retail it for $125. You buy it retail. So Amazon will make a profit, that's how much money they make, of $25 on the glove. That profit they use to pay their employees, their taxes, and so forth. So this is the way it goes. So retail is where you buy stuff. Wholesale is what the seller buys it for. So if I sell a glove to Amazon for $100, that is wholesale. I mark it up $25. I retail it for $125. My profit is $25 on the glove. Pause the video. All right, so they will sell the item of clothing for $30.16. And the way I got that was $23.75 times 27%, which is 0.27. I got this long decimal right here, which I rounded to 641. Since it was a markup, I'm going to add the $23.75 plus the 641 for $30.16. Question 4, bathing suits are 75% off the regular price. What is the sale price of a bathing suit that regularly costs $79.99? Pause the video. $20. You can get that suit for $20. So how did I get that? $79.99 times 0.75 gives me $59.9925, which is actually $59.99. It is on sale, so I'm going to subtract that from the $79.99 to get $20. Question 5. In a middle school of 942 kids, 38% of them are 6th graders. How many kids are 6th graders? The answer, 358. So what I did was I did the math, 942 times 0.38, and got this number here. I thought it was money when I first was doing it. But anyway, because this is just a percent, I just write down what the percent is, which is about 358 kids, because we can't have parts of kids. Number 6, a skirt regularly priced for $17.49 is marked down 35%. What is the sale price of the skirt? Please pause the video. Sale price, $11.36. So it was $17.49 times 35%. The decimal equivalent is 0.35. 1748 minus 612, and it's 612 because I had to round over here, making this be money. And when I subtracted those, because it was a mark down, I got 1136. Question 7. Patio furniture is on sale 65% off. What is the sale price of a patio set that regularly costs $399? Pause the video. So it will be $139.65. How did I get that? 399 times the decimal equivalent, 65 hundredths, gave me 259.35. This is taken off of the 399, so off means subtract. I subtracted it, got my 139.65. Last question. A video game regularly priced at $49.99 is subject to 7.5% sales tax. What is the cost of the video game after tax? Pause the video. All right, so here we are. It is 48.36, so I took the 44.99, multiplied it by the decimal equivalent. Notice when I moved my decimal point, it was 2 places, so that's why I have this 0 right here. You need to make sure you have that. I went ahead and did the math. I got this number, which I rounded so that it would be money, which was 337. I took the 49.99, I added the 337, I got 48.36, and that is it. So thank you. Last thing you're going to do is a check for understanding, and then your homework is also posted. Thank you. Have a good day.